Digital marketing has become an essential part of businesses today as more and more customers are found online. With the rise of social media, online shopping, and mobile devices, it is important for your business to have a strong digital presence. This requires the skills of a successful digital marketer, who knows how to effectively reach and engage with the target audience. In this video, we will look at what it takes to become a successful digital marketer, and how to develop the skills needed to thrive in this field. First and foremost, develop a strong understanding of your target audience. The first step in becoming a successful digital marketer is to understand who your target audience is. This means learning and having an idea about their age, location, interests, and buying habits. In the internet marketing world, this is widely known as creating an avatar or buyer persona. You can gather this information through market research, which may include surveys, focus groups, and data analysis. This information will help you tailor your marketing campaigns to meet the needs and preferences of your target audience. Developing a deeper understanding of your target audience is one of the most important steps in digital marketing. If you do not identify your target audience, you will have a hard time as a digital marketer. Secondly, for you to become a successful internet marketer, you need to stay up to date with the latest internet marketing trends and technology. Digital marketing is a constantly evolving field, and it is important for you to stay up to date with the latest trends in the industry. This means regularly reading internet marketing blogs, attending digital marketing conferences, and participating in online forums where the online marketers congregate and discuss. As someone who deserves to succeed online, you should also experiment with new marketing tools and techniques for you to see what works best for your business or brand. By staying up to date, you will discover yourself being able to stay ahead of your competition and develop more effective marketing strategies. Thirdly, for you to be successful as an internet marketer, you must be able to create highly engaging and relevant content. One of the most important pillars of digital marketing is creating engaging and relevant content. This includes well-researched blog posts, helpful videos, insightful infographics, and constant social media updates. Your content should be high quality, informative, and appealing to your target audience. Additionally, it should align with your marketing goals and objectives. If you think you deserve to create highly engaging and relevant content for your business, check the description section for free course previews of the Blog Content Strategy course and the Social Media Content Strategy course. In the Blog Content Strategy course, you will find yourself learning about how to create and implement a killer blog content strategy for you to maximize traffic and increase your revenue. On the other hand, the Social Media Content Strategy course teaches you how to create and implement a powerful social media content strategy that is geared for success. Fourthly, build a strong online presence. Having a strong online presence is crucial for you as a digital marketer. This means establishing a professional website, creating a strong social media presence, and using SEO or search engine optimization techniques for you to improve your search engine rankings. A strong online presence will help you reach more customers, build trust, and establish your brand as a leader in your industry. Fifthly, measure and analyze your results. For you to become a successful digital marketer, it is very important for you to measure and analyze your results. This means tracking your website traffic, social media engagement, and conversion rates. By monitoring your results, you can identify what is working, and what's not, and make adjustments as needed. Additionally, you can use this data to optimize your marketing efforts, and improve your return on investment. If you can measure and analyze your results, you will be in the driver's seat. Number 6, you must collaborate with other online marketers and businesses. Collaborating with other marketers and businesses can be a powerful way for you to reach new customers and drive growth. This can include partnering with influencers, hosting joint webinars, or guest posting on other websites. By working together, you can find yourself expanding your reach and building stronger relationships with your target audience. Number 7, test and optimize your marketing efforts. Finally, for you to become a successful digital marketer, it is important for you to continuously test and optimize your marketing efforts. This means experimenting with different strategies, adjusting your campaigns, and continually seeking out new and innovative ways to reach your target audience. When you are open to new ideas and experimenting with new approaches, you'll be able to stay ahead of the curve and achieve long-term success in the field of digital marketing. Thank you for watching this video. What is important for you to know is that becoming a successful digital marketer requires a combination of technical skills, creativity, and a deeper understanding of your target audience. You will find yourself succeeding as an online marketer more and more by staying up to date with the latest trends in technology and internet marketing. You must also create engaging and relevant content, build a strong online presence continuously, measure and analyze your results, and collaborate with others in your niche and or sub-niche. Thank you for watching and listening to this. Remember to share, comment, like, and subscribe for more spectacular content that will make you a successful and awesome digital marketer. Also, remember to check out the description section for free and premium quality digital marketing resources.